What is the purpose of this p tag? So it says like it used to create, it used to create, it used to display, not create, it used to display text data in web page. It used to display the text data in web page if text is more than 130 character. If the text is more than 130 character, then we are going to use which tag? P tag. H1 to S6 already have seen. So let's come. First create the file. Create the file example3.html. In that we will implement this all. Example3.html. Characters we can write here. Type of list in HTML. Type of list in HTML, we have one called OL. OL shortcut. It's called a order list. Order list. Second one we have called UL. It's called a order list. Third is called a DL. Definition list. OL, UL, DL. Order list, unorder list, as well as definition list. OL, UL, DL. Order list, unorder list, as well as definition list. Order list, unorder list, and definition list. Hope you are writing. Now, under the order list, we have multiple types. Under the unordered list, also we have multiple types. So first, we'll go to the example 3. We will use a H1. We will use a P tag. Then we will use the OL order list. We'll come to know how and what order list look like, and then we'll write the next one. After implementation, we'll come back and we'll write a notes about again order list. Order list is of 5 types. Unordered list is the 4 types. Okay, so there is a multiple types. 9 types are there. So that example 3 will explain us. Example 3 will explain us. Example 3 will explain us. So hope you are following the system today. Create the new file. Save in your folder. Okay, hope you created. Now let's go to that file. In the file, you will start from same HTML, open close. You will follow the body tag. Under the body tag, you will write one h1 tag. You will write one h1 tag. Under the h1 tag, you will write OL, that is called order list example. Order list, simple example, not actual example, something. Now come down. Write a paragraph, print inside. The order list used to display contents with point and sub points. Sub points with the points and sub points. What is the point and sub point? Okay. Now suppose you display some data where you put the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of 1, 2, 3, we can keep like ABCD also. We can keep as a Roman 1, 2, 3 also. That in the MS Word is called as a bullets and numbering. In MS Word, called as a bullets and numbering. Let's write here. You will come to it automatically. Let's follow the OL, open and close. It's not 0, 1, it's O and L. O and L, not 0, 1, it's O and L. Okay, OL. Now write inside call LI. OL full form we are written the top, order list. LI is called as a list item. List item. LI was a list item. Let's follow the next LI. Suppose right here banana. Write the next LI. Orange. Next LI. Mango. Next LI. Milk. Right? Save this file, and if you run it, it will show you by default order as a 1, 2, 3. It will show you the order by default as a 1, 2, 3. It will show the order by default as a 1, 2, 3. Save the file. So today, how many of you are writing the code? Can you reply in the chat once? Are you writing today? Yes, no, yes, no. Yes, no will be enough. Four, five, six, very good, 7, 8. Okay, but still 50% play. We should try it. Okay. Okay, let's run it now. So we will go ahead. Chromebook not installed. Any editor use, no problem. Whichever the editor is suitable for your system, use that editor. Man, Moturaj, okay. Moturaj, which editor, which system you have? Mac or this Windows? Which operating system you are using? You have written something Chromebook. Okay, Chromebook. You can install this one that is called uh, Sublime Editor. Hold on, I'll write here Sublime Editor. Doc type also will follow. Doc type will follow once we come in HTML5. Doc type also will follow when we come under the HTML5. Okay, run it and see how it is. You can see it will give you 1, 2, 3. Can you see that? What is showing? Showing 1, 2, 3. So what is the order? Order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will go till number of elements inside your LI. Come down. Next, write the next OL. Next OL. In the next OL, you keep here type equal to capital A. Now instead of giving it the 1, 2, 3, it will give you the ABCD. That which ABCD? Capital ABCD. Okay, now it will give you what? ABCD. Here we are given, we have not given any type, so it is showing as a, we have not given any type, it is showing as a by default 1, 2, 3 only, 1, 2, 3. But if we mention as a type, then particular type will come. So default, what is the type of the order list? Number as a 1, 2, 3. Let's keep here again some city name. Example, Bangalore. Next example, Pune. Next example, XLI or Delhi. Next LI, Kolkata. Correct. If you run this file, it will give the order as a 1, 2, 3. Bangalore, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata. Now the type we are given A, so you can see ABCD will come. It will show you ABCD here. ABCD will come. ABCD. That is called another order type. Call another order type. Just write and check once. It's working or not. Next, after that, you can write here HR color equal to red color, size equal to 10. This line I am writing purposefully to understand a point that is called property and value. HR is a tag name. HR is the name of a tag. HR is the name of a tag. It's called a horizontal rule. Horizontal rule. Okay. HR is called the name of the tag. It's called a horizontal rule. Horizontal rule. What it will do? It will create a line from beginning to last. It will create a line from beginning to last. It will create a line from beginning to last. After that, line will get created through the HR tag, but what will be the color of the line? The color of the line will be red color. So here color is the property, red is the value. What will be the thickness of the line? So the thickness of the line will be, size is the property, and 10 is nothing but 10 pixel. Number by default will go as a px, you can say. So size is a 10. 10 pixel will become as a thickness of the line. So in HTML, we have lot of property value that we are going to remember. As for example, here we wrote a color is a property, red is a value. This is not made by us. It's a predefined property and value property value. People call it a attribute also. Color you can call it a property or you can call it a attribute. Both are valid. Okay, red you can call it a value. Size you can call it a property or attribute. Both are valid. Okay, 110 is a value. Right now, save it and check once. You will see one line will appear from beginning to last in which color? Red color. So using this HR tag, we can use a separator. In this file, many things to understand. H1 open close is called a dependent tag. Paragraph open close dependent tag. Again, OL is open close dependent tag. All the LIs are open close dependent tag. But HR you can see only open. There is no closing for that. So HR is the independent tag. Again, OL become as a independent, dependent. Type become as a property. A become as a value. So A what we have written, if you write here hello, it will not be like it will come something. The property and value both are predefined only. We have to remember now which property and what are the values. For one property, there will be multiple values. For example, we wrote here for color. Now red becomes a value. So red is not made by us. We cannot say hello red. We can say yes, we can give here color code is okay. But we have to give any either code or name only. Similar way how you wrote here type equal to A. We cannot write here high. Okay. A is a predefined value for the type. Similar way, how A we have written, we have many more type we are going to follow. Here in the first one, you have not mentioned any type. So you can see 1, 2, 3 is coming. Right? We can go here and you can also try here type equal to 1 and see what is going to come. Type equal to 1 means 1 will come. 1, 2, 3 only will come. So that's what default. What is the default type? So default type is as a 1, 2, 3. Default type is 1, 2, 3. If you mention, then particular will come. If not mention, then by default 1, 2, 3 is going to come. Save it. Now after that, we'll see the another type. So hope you wrote OL type equal to 1. You can run also. You have idea now how to run. You can go to the view or maybe you can go to the your folder and double click on the file. Page will run in the browser. Okay, next right, next OL type equal to type equal to a small a we are writing, a small a. So it is going to give ABCD only, but a small. Okay, hope OL type equal to A. Now write inside some book's name. For example, HTML book. Next LI, CSS book. Next LI, JavaScript book. Next LI, Bootstrap book. Check now. You can see this will give us a ABCD. What type of ABCD? It will give ABCD only, but that will be as a lower ABCD, a small ABCD, not capital ABCD. It will come as a small ABCD. It will be as a small ABCD. बोल दिया उसने प्राइमरी लगा दिया नहीं वैसे तो बोलिएगा कि एसएसडी तो लग गया, अब हार्ड ड्राइव भी लगा दीजिए। Please check once. This look like this. ABCD will come lowercase. Let's keep one HR here also. Green color. Size equal to 1.5. HR color equal to green, size equal to 1.5.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear.
Sir, when I am typing LI,
Hmm.
it is coming with its other closing tag also.
Hmm.
But whenever I am typing HTML book or say that contents I am typing,
Hmm.
it is means deleting the tags are deleting.
Okay,
Why the
understand.
tag is
You
not
have
coming?
pressed the insert button. Okay. You have pressed the
Insert.
insert button. So what to do? In your computer, there is a function keyboard. Function keyboard and insert button.
Okay.
Function keyword is in the bottom left and insert button will be on the top right.
Okay.
Both you have to press. Function and insert button you press, it will go. Print a screen will be somewhere. Can you find anywhere print a screen button? INS print will be written under. It should be mostly near to the delete button.
Yeah, but the system logged off. Just a second, sir.
That happened because of insert button. If you press the insert button, then that error will come. Not error, your insert button is blinking. It's delete the previous code.
Yeah, it's done now.
Happening.
Yeah, it's done. Thank you, sir.
Okay, hope written. Now OL is coming. You can see OL is coming. The first one was type as a 1, 2, 3. Second ABCD. Third one is also ABCD only, but small. Check now. You can let me know also for how many it's working. Till OL type equal to A.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Sir, is any shortcut key to open direct Chrome after saving? Because each and every time I have to save, and then I should go for view, and from view I should go for Chrome. So direct.
Check in the view.
Yeah, I checked. There's no shortcut.
No
Yeah,
shortcut.
we have to do like this. So instead
Yeah.
of that, any shortcut key to open that Chrome directly.
No.
Okay.
Shortcut key is there, no? In the computer. Suppose I am typing here. Okay. Now after that, I will press the Shift and Tab. This one, Control and Tab. Okay, Control and Tab. Once I'll type, it will go to. It's going to somewhere else. Okay, hold on. There is a tab called Shift Tab where it will go. Shift Tab is working here only.
No, sir. Actually, Alt Tab is there if you want to go to the next window. Okay, next.
Correct, correct.
So we can do Alt Tab. That I know, but I want. What I'm asking is, see here you can go, but you have to refresh over here.
Refresh. You have to refresh here.
I got it.
We have other option also. Instead of you are running directly, you have to use the VS Code. Okay. Use the VS Code. Inside the VS Code, you have to install the Ritvik live server, and after that, you have to run the page through live server.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you do modification in the file, your browser will get reloaded automatically. Now, for a small teeny code, why to follow those 100 of steps?
No,
Write the code to go to the browser and reload once manually.
No, actually, before I was using that, I don't know about this Notepad plus plus, so that's what I am asking.
Notepad plus plus, why we are following? Because it is going to increase your this one. Which one? Your finger will remember the list of property and value and tags. You will not be depend on any kind of editor. Like suppose you are writing the code now through Notepad plus plus. Okay. So what will happen? Few days once you write, you will remember complete the structure of the tag. Okay, and you will remember the type, property, value, everything. Tomorrow you need to write in some notepad also. You don't need of any kind of editor. You can write it. Okay, but when the time will come, time will come in the sense what I have asked to use. This is for 1 month only. Which one? The notepad plus plus. I have advised to use only for first month. Not even in second month. Second month, we are also going to use the VS Code. VS Code. There you don't have to type so much. Suggestion will come. By then you will become very much confident. You will have a lot of idea on property value. Your finger will remember the list of tags. Okay. For that purpose, intention is to remember something. Okay. So we are following the VS. This one Notepad plus plus. Even in my system I have VS Code. For previous batch I was writing the code in VS Code only because they have crossed the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. They are into something else. Okay. So according to need, we will be changing the editors. So let's go ahead. Now what we will do is you will use the next. Add one more HR here and use color equal to blue color and size equal to give anything 10-15 and in that you write here call OL open close, and for this OL we have the next type that is called I. Capital I if you write, it will give you the Roman 1, 2, 3. Capital I if you write, it will give you Roman 1, 2, 3. See, initially when we create 1, 2, 3 examples, some here the problem will come. So HTML will not completely disagree to run. If you have written half line also, it will work. Okay, so you should not feel like my something is okay, let it go ahead. Okay, so within 4-5 example, once you create, okay, automatically you will be able to follow everything properly. A small error will come, you can fix automatically. You will start identifying, okay, I have started the single quote, I have not closed the single quote. Those things automatically identification will come after 3-4 example automatically. Okay, let's follow the next li. Keep inside call. Some you can write some other things, maybe home. Next you can write call li about us. Next li contact us. Next li our services. Right, now save it. It will give you Roman 1 to 3. It is going to give you Roman 1 to 3. Hope you're writing. Just save it and check once. This will give you Roman 1 to 3. Something like this. Something like this. In the Roman 1 to 3 also we have uppercase and lowercase. So let me go with the lowercase now. HR color equal to black and size equal to 10. So it will give you a black color where the thickness will come in 10 px nearly. OL open close. Right inside again. Type equal to a small I. Roman 1 to 3 will come but lowercase. Roman 1 to 3 will come but lowercase. Right here, something called dashboard. Write another thing, another line called my profile. Write another line. Education. Correct. Write one more li. My project. Write one more li. That is called my experience. Okay, save it now. After that, you will see it will show you dot will come in the next type, that is called unorder list, UL. Okay. Now it should look like this. Okay, so hope working for everyone well. Now where you can utilize it? Suppose you are displaying something inside the web page. You want to represent some kind of number 1, 2, 3. Then we can use the OL. If you want to display somewhere item, some content where you want to highlight point number A, B, C, D, you can use that. If you are displaying somewhere anything, if you want to use a Roman number 1, 2, 3, you can use that. Okay, so all three places, everywhere it is applicable, wherever we want to generate any kind of order. Okay, wherever you want to generate any kind of order. Order can be anything, it can be number, it can be ABCD uppercase, it can be ABCD lowercase, it can be Roman 1 to 3 uppercase, or it can be Roman 1 to 3 also as a lowercase. Right? So we'll go ahead with the next example. First in developer guide, we'll mention what are the types we have written here. Whichever the type we have written here, those type we will mention in developer guide, and then we'll come back. Okay, so go ahead to the developer guide. Right inside, completed or going on? Let me share you these two lines in your chat. If anyone is pending, they can follow this. In developer guide, write type. In order list, what are the type we have? In order list, we have one type called 1. We have next type called capital ABCD. We have next type called a small ABCD. We have next type called capital I. We have next type called a small I. Right? So these all are called type under the order list. Now right below under on order list also, type equal to disk. DISC disk. It will give you dot dot dot. This is type equal to circle. It will give a circle symbol. Type equal to a square. It will give you a square symbol. Type equal to none. It will not give anything. So we have 4 here and 5 here, 9. So let's add this unordered list. Then we'll create an example and we'll implement that. No, yaar, Mahesh, under that line you can't write. Under this line you can't write, okay? For that we have next solution, don't worry. We have CSS for that. We can use some tag and we can change the background. And after changing the background, inside we can write. Okay, within the HR you can't write. Okay, but we have a solution. Not now. Once we go a little forward, CSS onwards. Okay, so come to the next file. Example 4. Hope you have written this developer guide. Type disk square circle and none. Example 4 you create. Create a file example 4.html. Example 4.html. Let's start from HTML. Close the HTML. Follow the body tag. Right inside H1 UL. Unorder list example. Okay, unorder list example. Come down. Come down. Use the UL tag and inside that write type equal to disk. Type equal to disk. Type equal to disk. Type equal to disk. It is going to give dot dot dot. Disk means dot dot dot. Li laptop. Next li desktop. Next li mouse. Next li printer. Next li scanner. Laptop, desktop, mouse, printer, scanner. Okay, so this is going to come as a dot 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 from top to bottom. Okay, next after that, let us save once. You can also run it. It's not like only print as a scanner, your wish, you can add anything. 5 friend name you can add here, 5 city name you can add here, add anything. That should explain the meaning of UL. HR, color equal to orange color, size equal to 10. Color equal to orange, size equal to 10. So one very good line will come. Hope you have written and you are able to run also. Something like this. Okay, next after this, follow the next UL, type equal to next UL type equal to okay, hope written. Square you can keep here, SQ, square, come inside, write some again, city name, Bangalore, next LI, Mumbai, next LI, Chennai, next LI, next LI, Kolkata, next LI, Delhi. Save it now. You will find in front of the LI, in front of the city name, a square symbol will come. In front of the city name, a square symbol will come. This look like this. Here square symbols are coming. After this UL, you can write again one more HR with the color equal to blue line and size equal to 10. It will show you one blue color. So let's see it once. You can see one blue line is coming. Next, after that, we have one more called circle. Disk square we written. We'll write one more UL. UL LI. This UL will keep type equal to circle. This UL will keep type equal to circle. There we can write same city name. You can add the same city name. It will give the circle symbol. It will give us now circle symbol. So we added circle. It will give you circle kind of symbol, dot dot dot. You can see round circle, round circle. Try both. Let me know once. If it's working well, then we can move next. Okay, cool. We have one more. Let's add one more type. HR color equal to green color, size equal to 1.5. You should not feel like to use the UL HR is required. HR just I am adding so that it will look little interesting page. It will look like UI will look better. Line will come separator. It will look more better. Okay, now you can follow one more UL and write inside type equal to none. So it is not going to give you any kind of indicator. It will be just like a empty text. Empty. It will be just, you can say it will not start with anything. Only your content will be available. Here also we can add some city names. Then you can see it will not have any kind of indicator. any kind of type, it will be just look like city name. Only city name will appear there. Okay, let's go ahead and show you the next thing. You can see here, none is coming. None means only text. There is no any kind of indicator, only the text are coming. Only the text are coming. So there is type is none. There is no any kind of type in that. So hope running for everyone. We will create one more file. There we will see nested list. Like how we can create a list inside list. List inside list will be called as a nested list. List inside list will call as a nested list. List inside list will call as a nested list. Okay, so hope done. Let's move ahead to the next file. Create next file, example5.html. Example5.html. Last UL to UL I shared in your chat. If required, you can use it. Example5.html. HTML start here. Follow the body tag. Go inside H1 nested list. Nested UL example. Nested UL example, right? Nested unorder list example. Let's open the UL tag. Close the UL tag. Right inside ALI. Call home. One more LI. about us, one more li, contact us, one more li, login, one more li, register, correct. Now after contact, add one li called services, our services. Okay, hope we added. After this, if you run the page, you will find it's like this. All are coming in the one line. As we have implemented, we will go for the services. So once you make ready this much, you let me know. Okay, cool. Now inside this, under this OL, you have the LI. Now under the LI, you are going to open one more UL. Call it a nested UL. UL inside the UL. LI, software, next LI, marketing, next LI, education. Okay, under the LI, you have multiple UL, not multiple UL. Under the UL, you have multiple LI, and under one LI, we have one more UL. So this education marketing software is a part of UL. UL is a part of LI. So this becomes a nested. Once we learn the CSS, I will guide you how to create the menu and submenu. Right? We'll learn how to create the menu and submenu. Then we will use this nested LI, nested UL. Till date, we have seen a lot of website. Every website, wherever you see the menus, navigation, 99% developer use the UL and LI to create the navigation of the website. And you also have seen the submenu. When you click somewhere, submenu will open. When you move the mouse, menu submenu will open. In the website, mostly Flipkart, right? Other website also. So those are based on this design only. LI, UL, LI, again, LI. It can be n number of level. Write it and check once. It is only HTML, so it will not look like exact website menus, but it will look okay. Under the our services, we have the software, marketing, and education. Try once. It's look like this. Let's see. Under the services, can you see three services is coming? So once we learn the CSS and all, then we'll make the same thing, will become like a menu. Home, about us, contact us. Once you touch the services, sub menu will open. Okay, so there CSS rule regulation we have to apply.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Sir, that menu, that circles are very bold. Means it's very dark, and the sub menus are. It looks like a circle. Why it is?
Both are different.
No, actually, see, we have not used any type or anything.
By default, browser will apply.
Okay.
Because one is the parent should be different than the child. Correct, no?
Okay, sir.
Once you will not mention any type, by default it will take. So first one came by default what? Dot. Second came by default
As a circle.
Yes. So it is just a kind of, but default you are not going to use anywhere most of the time. You have to change that. You have to remove the dot. You have to put something else. You have to remove the circle. You have to do something else. You will see on the website hand symbol will come, cursor symbol will come, arrow key symbol will come. You have seen, no? Many places. Caret symbol, kind of a drop down. Arrow key may be up arrow key, down arrow key. So usually the core things, it will get replaced by something else. Okay. Okay. Next, one small task you have to do. What is that? 3-4 classes you attended. We need to understand your feedback. Okay, we need to understand your feedback. You want some modification. You want to increase the speed. You want to decrease the speed. You want some more explanation. Or this much is okay. Shall we go ahead with this speed? Or whatever the modification you want, whichever is running in your mind, I will give a URL. In that URL, you can fill that. That details will come to me also. It will go to the info campus database also. From there, I will read it today evening and I will understand if any modification is required. Then okay, if no modification, then we'll continue as usual. But your feedback will be required. Okay, the URL I am sending in your chat. Just what you can do is that URL you can see. In that URL, you have to enter something genuinely only. Enter your name, enter your mobile number. Your mobile number should be WhatsApp number because tomorrow, day after tomorrow, counselor will create a group for your batch. So in mobile number field, you will enter your WhatsApp number. Okay, email ID, put valid email ID. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we'll give the channel permission from our the YouTube channel. From there, you can watch the video. How you feel comfortable, non-comfortable? Feedback box is there. You need to enter in that. In feedback box, you can write the details, how improvement you want and other things. Okay, and then suppose the mobile WhatsApp number is something else and calling number is something else. The calling number you can write in the feedback like calling number something. So they will understand, okay, this number I need to call you for discussion, anything required. And the mobile number should be your WhatsApp number. Okay, so calling number should be here under the feedback box. Mobile number should be in the WhatsApp. And then you give whatever you want feedback. We'll have a look into that today. And then from tomorrow, we'll do some modification if required. Okay, if no modification, then continue as usual. You can fill it today. By evening, I will have a look once and then we'll decide what to do next. It's a infocampus.co.in/demo. The URL I have sent in the chat already. I will write here again. This is the one. infocampus.co.in/demo. Okay, fine then. Let's do that and see you tomorrow.